Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Heyday app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Heyday app, or just click on search. Then here add Heyday app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, you search here for Heyday, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.